Alright, let's talk about something you probably didn't know was happening. Third-party apps quietly accessing your LinkedIn data. Here's how to check what's connected to your account and revoke access if you need to. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Now navigate to the Data Privacy section. Scroll down until you see Permitted Services. That's what we're looking for. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the applications and services that have access to your LinkedIn profile and network data. Yeah, all of them. If there's anything in there you don't use anymore, or honestly, anything that makes you uncomfortable, just click on it and remove access. Simple as that. This is one of those things worth checking every few months. You'd be surprised how many apps you connected to years ago that are still sitting there with full access. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.